Hey, you want to know what's inside the Facilitation Toolkit? Let's take a look. The Facilitation Toolkit has got everything you need, from planning, running, and replaying the outcome of the perfect design sprint. A successful sprint starts before you even enter the room with a design sprint brief. Before embarking on a design sprint, in person or remote, make sure that your team has all the information they require to ensure there's clarity and the right mindset. Once you've got everything set, let's get sprinting. We've got everything you need, starting with a facilitation checklist showing you all the resources you'll require. Then there's the agenda with a minute-by-minute breakdown of the exercises and the facilitation decks for each day of the sprint. Let's take a look and see how this works. So let's say in your design sprint, you're about to undertake your long-term goal. With our agenda, you'll not only have the timings, but also the why behind each of the exercises. The facilitation checklists will tell you exactly what to prepare and what resources you'll need. The daily facilitation decks will tell you exactly how to facilitate each of the exercises with our word-for-word guides and insights. Well done, you've successfully completed your sprint. But your journey's not over yet. It's now time to tell your design sprint story. In our replay report, your team can present to key stakeholders your design sprint achievements and clearly show your conclusions, next steps, and recommendations. So set yourself up for success by downloading the Design Sprint Facilitation Kit